Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make stunning underwater text effects? I'll show you how step by step. Click Create, then Custom Size, and set width and height to 300 by 300 pixels. Next, go to Elements, type Ocean Underwater, and browse the available graphics. Select a photo, then choose to use this photo for your project. First, add the heading text. Then, enlarge the image slightly. Next, add the heading Underwater. Change the font to untoned to customize the look. Change the text color to white. Next, add effects by searching for type graph. Copy and paste the text, then add the small code snippet below. Finally, select the custom option to apply your changes. Try using different fonts. Let's find a good one by selecting Pubcore Internet Custom from the font options. Click and drag the text to move it. Adjust its position as needed by holding and dragging it to the desired location. Release the mouse button to place the text where you want it on the screen. Click Add to Design, then click Stop. Next, select the icon labeled Daemon. First, change the setting to Maintain. Next, try duplicating the image. Use the eraser or magic eraser tool to remove unwanted parts. Alternatively, you can use the Picture Remover tool. In this example, the top area of the duplicated image is erased to eliminate that section. This technique helps isolate specific parts of the image for editing without affecting the original. Adjust the tools as needed to achieve a clean removal of unwanted image areas. First, select the Pixel Eraser tool. Increase the brush size to erase more efficiently. Use the eraser to remove unwanted parts of the image. Next, adjust the transparency of the text layer. Set the opacity to 70% to make the text partially see-through. This allows the background to show through while keeping the text visible. Review the changes to ensure the text blends well with the image. Adjust the transparency further if needed. This process helps create a balanced visual effect. Go to Elements and search for water. Add it to your project and trim it on the left. Position the water shape as shown, then rotate it to the desired angle. Remove the background line by selecting it and deleting it. Next, duplicate the water element to use it again. Duplicate the line, then slightly adjust its position. Make sure it aligns well with the original. Allocate space evenly to ensure the duplicates look consistent. Check the spacing and refine the placement until the elements match properly. Keep adjusting until they're visually balanced and aligned. This is our final result. To zoom in, use the Zoom tool. When your design is complete, click Share and then Download. You can save your file as a PDF, print it directly, or choose the MYK option for professional printing. Select your preferred method and your design will be ready for use. Now you know how to design underwater text in Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tips.